Welcome to the installation video of Anaconda. Anaconda is nothing but a Python data science and package manager. It is used to install Python and all the Python related modules such as which are all the things which are using in Python. For example, math library means math library also will be loaded. Random means random also loaded. And additional data science libraries such as matplotlib, pandas, every complete in a completely comes in a single package called Anaconda. To install this, type an Anaconda in a Google search. uh, Go to the first link. If you go to the first link means the home page of Anaconda will be loaded. uh, from that, if you press a download button means you will able to download a particular file called Anaconda 22 5 Windows 64 and 36-bit version of actually this is a recent version which I downloaded in the year 2022 in the month of 5th. After downloaded, go with the installation procedure is very much simple. If you open it means it will go to the next tab. In the next tab, just select the installation folder in D drive. For example, go to a D drive, then create a folder called Conda, Conda. In the particular Conda drive, if you select the browsing locations means it will show to you. Because why we are selecting D drive means in the D drive there will be vast amount of storage. We are not using C drive because it takes nearly 4 to 5 GBs of space over there. So I am selecting D drive over that. In the D drive, in Conda, just select next button. Then the next button, if you click the next button means there will be advanced options, that is register Anaconda to my default Python 3.9 version. It is not necessary to install the Python in Anaconda package itself. There is a Python installer. If it will be registered and linked with Python 3.9, it is suggested to tick the add Anaconda 3 path environment variable. If you select that this tick button also, then if you follow the procedure, it will nearly go for 30 to 40 minutes of installation based on your system speed. After completing that, you can see the installed content in all apps Anaconda 64-bit version. There are list of contents will be available: Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter Notebook, and Anaconda Prompt, as well as Spider is a IDE. Here we are using, we are using Jupyter Notebook. If you click and open the Jupyter Notebook means our look will be like this. Here we can select a folder. After selecting a downloads folder, I have selected notebook files. Here if you click a new button over Python 3 means a Python 3 Jupyter Notebook will be opened. So in that we can perform the regular coding operations. For example, here we can give the name of the, for example, numbers means numbers in Python. I have renamed. For example, here directly I can type the code x is equal to 10. Print x means it will be printed x. So this is a common format. There is a, we can, after completing the content we can say save and checkpoint. After completing the process we can close the halt method. After completing everything, if there will be a command prompt opened here. If we press the Control C multiple times means that content will be automatically dis disconnected. The server will be automatically disconnected. We can close the end every windows. We are able to hit the shutting down zero content, shutting down zero terminals. So this is the way to install an Anaconda package. And after installing, we can use Jupyter Notebook. This is a method over here. And another simple operation is if we need to uninstall the package means it's very simple. A simple method here is we need to open a we need to open a Conda folder and delete completely. After deleting completely, we go to add and remove programs, then remove the content. After removing the content, we need to install it again, means we have to follow the same procedure. This is a process behind the installing and uninstalling the Anaconda. To update Anaconda, we need to click an Anaconda prompt. If we click over that, means Anaconda prompt will be open. We need to give a command called Conda update two hyphens, then all, means Conda update all, means all the packages in the Conda will be updated. If you give the consecutive y commands, means it will update automatically. uh, for example, all the packages, all the modules, for example, matplotlib, pandas means pandas, numpy means numpy, all the modules which included in the python, and even the python package will also updated to a latest version. And to see the list of available commands in the Anaconda prompt, you have to type conda cheat sheet. In that, you have to go to a second link. If you go to the second link, means there is a cheat sheet version of latest conda 4.12. If you downloaded it, means we can see the conda update all command, and the list of available conda commands. Using the conda, we can update all, as well as we can update a specific packages. For example, if you need to install update python, means if you give the python name, means it will update only python itself. As we discussed earlier, I said the suggestion for uninstalling, after deleting all the files in the D drive conda, you need to remove the entry of Anaconda 3 from the add and remove programs. Then in the later part of the installation, you go for fresh installation. So these are all the points behind the Anaconda installation, uninstallation, and Anaconda update.